What's up guys, Surge here. So the HTC U12 Plus is the next flagship phone we have circled on the calendar. We'll finally get to see the device at HTC's event held next week on May 23rd. Now the device has been leaked for a couple of times, but today Evan Blass, a well-known leakster, has shared a trio of crystal clear product images and complete list of specification. By complete, I mean a crazy detailed 3-page spec sheet which was supposed to be kept embargo until May 23rd. The U12 Plus retains its predecessor's 6-inch Quad HD Plus Super LCD panel with a 2:1 aspect ratio. The battery capacity is now downgraded from 3930 to 3500 mAh, but as it will have a new Snapdragon 845 processor, so you should expect an upgrade for both the raw speed and energy efficiency of this edge sensing powerhouse. The device will initially run on Android 8.0 Oreo with HTC Sense on top. The OS is obviously upgradable to Android P down the line, also providing access to both Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa out of the box with always-on listening capabilities. No doubt, the Taiwanese OEM is going to focus on its 4 cameras as a primary selling point, including 12-megapixel wide-angle and 16-megapixel telephoto lenses on back, plus dual front-facing 8-megapixel shooters equipped with bokeh scales, AR stickers, HDR boost, and face unlock technology. The main camera setup will support 2x optical and 10x digital zoom, as well as optical image stabilization, bokeh mode, 4K video recording at 60 frames per second, and slow motion 1080p at 240 frames per second. You'll get 64 or 128 gigs of internal storage to hold all your content and 6 gigs of RAM in both cases to keep up with your multitasking needs. Coming back to these renders, they appear to confirm the return of translucent liquid surface option alongside a standard black color variant with an eye-catching purple added to the mix. And most importantly, the U12 Plus will not have an infamous notch. So all those stuff seems to be promising enough, and tell me your thoughts about this in the comments down below. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace out.